Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all well and thanks again for clicking on today's video. On the menu today is fried plantain with grilled fish, and I will be using tilapia for this recipe, but feel free to use any fish of your choice. Let's get started. We're going to need 3 plantains. You can use more than 3 depending on how many people you'll be cooking for. And this is blended ginger, garlic and onion, a tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning. I will be using 3 bell peppers, half of each one, the red, the green and the orange one, and 6 tablespoons of tomato puree. If today is your first time coming across my channel, my name is Kai and I love cooking. I share quick, easy and very delicious recipes on this channel. Now this is our tilapia here. Use the kitchen towel to remove any excess water and make some incisions in the fish, so when you use the seasoning it can penetrate the fish properly and it's going to be super tasty. Now I'm going in with the blended ginger, garlic and onion that I already added a little bit of salt and all-purpose seasoning to the blended ginger, garlic and onion. Make sure you rub it in properly. Let it go everywhere so your fish can be marinated perfectly well. To my returning subscribers, thanks so much for coming back. I really appreciate each and every one of you. Kindly let me know what you think about today's recipe, and if you're going to give it a try, do that for me and let me know in the comment section what you think. Once you finish up with the seasoning, wrap it up and let it marinate for 1 hour. Now it's time to blend the bell peppers, and after that I will heat up the oil 3 minutes. After heating up the oil, I'm going in now with the tomato puree, about 6 tablespoons. Stir well and add the rest of the ingredients. And the second one is our blended bell peppers. I blended it very smoothly, but you can blend it as well, not too smooth if you wish to, but that's how I want to make it. Add the blended ginger, garlic and onion paste and stir well. Let it cook a little bit and go in with the all-purpose seasoning, a little bit of salt to taste, and also a teaspoon of cumin. I just added a little bit of chili flakes and cover it up. Once the sauce is cooking, I'm going to get the tray ready by adding a little bit of olive oil. Spread it all across and then add the fish. Once you place the fish on the tray, add a little bit of oil again on top of it, rub it in properly, and after that wrap your fish in the foil. I preheated my oven for 5 minutes, 180 degrees, and I'm going to let the fish cook for half an hour. Now it's time to check the sauce, and it's looking so delicious already. It's ready and I'm going to just set it aside and use it later. It's time to cut the plantains. If you don't want to use plantains, feel free to use yam or just potatoes. Always remember, it's your kitchen, your rules. I'm just guiding you here. Keep watching. If you haven't yet subscribed, but you are enjoying the recipe, what are you waiting for? Simply click on the subscription button and make sure you activate the bell. Let's check the fish, and you can see it's cooked very well. That is after 30 minutes. And I'm going to add the sauce now. If you have been watching me for a while, you know I always love my food on the spicy side. So I'm going to add a little bit more crushed chilies and pop it back in the oven for another 10 minutes. And don't forget to let me know in the comment section, what would you pair this fish with? Just leave a little bit of space whilst you are trying to cover it up, and I'm popping it in the oven. Now it's time to start frying our plantains. I'm going to heat up the oil for 5 to 6 minutes on a medium heat, and once the oil is heated up, go in with the plantains. And you know it's very straightforward. Once one side is cooked and you obtain the golden color, just flip the next side and that will be the plantains ready for you. And there you have it. And this is our grilled fish ready. Let me serve the food. If you are enjoying the recipe, don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up so YouTube can recommend it to more people as well to enjoy and try. And this is our fried plantains and grilled fish, looking so inviting. At this time, you know what I will say, right? But if you don't know, I normally say midunulo, time to dig in, grab your fork, and that right there is for you. Thanks so much for watching, and do me a favor by sharing the video if you enjoyed it with family and friends, and I will see you all in my next video. Take care for now. Bye. Au revoir.